Hello, welcome to the channel. Today we're running to some of the UK's most unique phone box libraries. So let's get to it. So the first one on the route is actually in a little village called Tawstock. But to get there, we have to wander through the woods. And you know what that means? Trail running. Come on.
Come close now, let me tell you a lie. Wild child, you got me running through the turnstile. Baby girl, we better make it worthwhile. You're gonna get my love today.
There's plenty of these repurposed phone boxes nowadays, but the very first one was set up in Somerset after the local council cut funding for the library. Since then, thousands of boxes nationwide have been repurposed into these micro libraries. Here we are, Tawstock Castle. This 18th century castle is now privately owned. It's even got its own helipad. Doesn't matter where you are, it could be in the middle of nowhere, on the moors, on a mountain, KFC, really? So, about 3.5k in now. Coming up to the village of Tawstock for phone box number 1. Here we are, phone box number 1. Now, the idea with these is always put one back when you take one. So I've got my book ready. Let's see what they got. Now, it's not always libraries they've been converted to. Some are mini museums, and there's even a mini pub in Cambridgeshire. And we are 2 villages away from the next phone box. The only problem is, there's a great big hill standing between us. It's about 200 meters high. Wouldn't be a trail run without a hill climb, would it? Come on, let's get to it. Yeah, it's just simple carbs, rice, oats, pasta. You have that in the lead up to a big run, you're gonna have a nice boost from that. So we're on the River Tour, a place called Newbridge. Years ago we used to jump off this. Yeah, it's a bit of a drop. Little hill. Bloody massive. Maybe go that way. Or
You are a sweet dream with a tender heart and a beautiful smile, but things aren't what they seem.
trail run is so much harder on your legs. You get to terrain like this, uphill. Oh, it's just jaggedy sections. You can't really get a good foot into it.
So I'll let you go and dream for a while. Wild child, you got me coming out of exile. Baby girl, you know I'm liking your style.
Well, it's been unused for quite a while now, but this hill we're on now and the surrounding area, a big quarry called Quarry. I think it's been out of use for about 20 years now. A great big lake that's filled in the quarry. Wow. Whoa. I feel tiny in here. That is crazy. Look at that. Unbelievable. I was going to say that didn't look like the right route. Back down we go, come on. done it. 200 meters high. You can see it everywhere from up here. So before this monument was built, it's actually the site of a Cold War bunker. And it's got great views. You can see almost everywhere around. Dartmoor, Exmoor. You even see Broughton Burrows and the sea in the distance. Okay, I didn't plan for that bit. This is the route. Didn't bring my swimming trunk, so shimmy along this bank to avoid this big puddle. Now, with most people having mobile phones nowadays, there's not much use for phone boxes. Well, here we are, small village of Lanky. Got one book left, so let's see what they got to read. Well, hopefully there's a bit of a better collection of this one, seeing as it's a bigger village. I swear I must be the only person that likes reading the history books. 2 history books in and took none out. Well, that seems more like it. Look at that. It's like a good read. This sort of stuff I usually read, so that's a good swap there. Let's put this one back and we'll get on the way. So that's 2 new books. Nearly done a half marathon. Just got to get back to Barnstable now.
I said, who put all those things in your head? Things that make me feel like I'm mad. And you're making me feel like I never was born.
Oh, there we have it. Over 10 miles done, 2 new books, and it's not even 10 o'clock on a Monday. How good is that for a start of the week? So anyway, thanks for watching. If you want to watch me bike pack across Exmoor, click up here for that one. And there's another video where I do the Devon coast to coast cycle, and then wild camp on Dartmoor. It's absolutely freezing, strong winds as well. So yeah, click here for that one. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Sorry, hiya, you're right.